Okay, beautiful lovers of everything with Labby. Today is gonna be a lot of car videos. I've got a lot of things to do. I've just done number one of it. I went to the post office to post some money into my bank account. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna be traveling to the town of Crewe today, the village of Crewe. It's under the Cheshire Metropolitan Borough Council. I'm gonna be exploring there with my friend. I'm gonna go with my babies, my son and my daughter. I'm gonna be driving. I was gonna go via the train before, but no, I changed my mind because my friend wanted me to get her a few things from the African shop. So yeah, so I'm gonna be driving there from Manchester to the little town of Crewe. So I've just done the first thing, which is to put some money in my account. Now I'm gonna go fuel my car, ready for the trip, and then get a few things from Lidl and the final things from the African shop. And then when my boy is done from school, we're gonna be going to the town of Crewe. We hope to have a lot of fun. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog with me. And by the way, I hope you guys have watched my videos of my trip to Scotland, Glasgow in Scotland, and my video of my trip to Wolverhampton. I've been having a lot of fun back to back, exploring different towns, different cities. Why not? Because I'm on maternity leave. I've got a lot of time on my hands, and yeah, it's the way I keep myself active, lively, and just use the period, this opportunity to visit a lot of people that I've been owing a lot of visits here. So it's been a swell time. This maternity leave is made for me, period. So you guys just jump over to my YouTube channel and click on the cards, watch my old videos, the new ones. Stay tuned and turn on your post notification so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. What? And by the way, I went to the Portland Basin Museum here in Thameside, Manchester, Greater Manchester actually. And it was a lovely experience for myself, and my boy loved it. He loved everything that he saw there. So I'll implore you, if you get to be in Manchester anytime, you can come over to the museum, have a feel of what it looks like being in an old town, the histories part from the World War time. It's an eye-opening experience for me, for my son, and whatnot. So I hope I remember to vlog all through this trip to Crewe. Stay tuned. I love you guys for your love and support so far. I do not take it for granted. Okay, yeah, so beautiful people, it's 3:45 p.m. now, so I'm gonna head off now, and before it gets dark, so I can cover a lot of miles on my trip from Manchester to Crewe. It's about an hour's drive, so I hope it's gonna go well. Fingers crossed. My babies are in the car, so yeah, let's go. It's beginning to get dark, lovers of everything with Labby. If you're on this channel, so we're taking a road trip from Manchester to Crewe. I'm halfway already. I should get there at about 5:15 thereabouts. Yeah, catch you later. Lovers of everything with Labby. I'm just going to take a dab at my country, Nigeria. I love it here, but look at this traffic on the motorway, on the highway. In Nigeria, we call it the expressway. You see this other side of the road to my very far left. If it was in Nigeria, motorists would have started to ply that route because of this traffic that they see, which is quite appalling. But here, things are done orderly, man. Cheers. Okay, nothing essentially happens in Crewe. It's a very boring city, a boring town. Heck. They only have the theaters, the bowling. We're out here, there's nothing happening. It's not a very good place for tourists to visit, except you go to neighboring cities, like Stoke-on-Trent. or go to Manchester to catch some fun. So it's a no for tourists.
Been a nice place to go.
Okay, the museum is closed for winter, so we cannot obviously go there. We're trying to go to the Lyceum Theatre. We don't know if there's going to be anything happening, so we just, I mean, it's worth a trip. We're nearly there. We'll see if anything happens. So I think we're gonna go to the retail park, just window shop, see a lot of different shops, see if we can get anything, or just walk around and look. There's really nothing happening in Crewe. Small town in mid Cheshire. My friend says it's village. She's the one living there, so hey.
It's a village.
Okay, so this is the Lyceum Theatre in the middle of the town center. I don't know if anything is happening there, but if there's any movie or plays showing. The municipal building in Crewe town center, and look at this statue. Seems beautiful. And that's a car park where I parked my vehicle. Looks great. Looks great, calm, serene, quiet, extremely quiet, absolutely quiet. The Crown Pub. And that's my friend pushing my baby in the pram. So we're just gonna go, lest we forget, in remembrance of those that served and lost their lives in the Second World War and in the British Army, basically. Touring the town of Crewe. We love. And Lyceum Theatre. We're going in. Go on. We got no bats, no ball. We found a free ping pong center in the Market Square. Way. So I found this Crewe market in town center. There's just a lot of different kind of shops that serves food to the general populace. So it's just a lot of food place for everybody and different kind of foods. There's the Craft and Bear, there's the Crewe dog, real ale, gin and rum, pizza, burger, Chinese, cheese, whatever. There's a lot of different kind of things here. So yeah, it might be a good place to come and eat with your family on the weekend. So
That's it.
this is the other end of it. That's my friend, babe. So it's really beautiful. Different kind of foods, kitchen, and all that. Okay, so because Crewe has been very boring for me. That's KFC. This is the retail park where you have a lot of main streets brands. TK Maxx, there's Boots, there's Pure Gym, there's M&S, there's Sports Direct, and now we're gonna go into Nando's to just have some food. And yeah, it's been a boring city. For tourist attraction, no. I highly do not recommend. It's not a touristy place. I do not recommend. Yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful lovers of everything with Labby. So we're signing out of Crewe. It's been a wonderful 48 hours thereabout with my friend, my sister, my friend Abisola. It's been a wonderful time. So although it's quite a boring city to be in, but we kind of had fun. We had a lot of time to gist, catch up and whatnot, and my kids loved their stay there. We felt very welcome. So yeah, if you're wondering to come to Crewe as a tourist, there's not a lot for you to enjoy there in Crewe. But if you're gonna go to a neighboring town like Manchester or Stoke whilst you're there, can, because yeah, you can get on the train and go have fun outside. But Crewe as a town for travelers, for tourists, is a no. It's a dead zone. Not dead per se, but it's very quiet, no activities and all that. So yeah, I would not recommend for touristy activities, but it's a very quiet, calm and peaceful place. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my tour about Crewe. Yeah, Crewe is Crewe, but cheers guys.